If you're tired of digging through 10 different drop-down menus just to find one specific setting or drawing tool, stop clicking. If you're on a PC or laptop, TradingView has a hidden quick search menu that finds everything instantly. First, make sure you are clicked into your chart window and press Command+K if on Mac or Control+K if on Windows. A search bar will instantly pop up right in the middle of your screen. This is the command palette. Just start typing whatever you're looking for. Say for example we want a trend line. We don't even have to type the whole word trend line. All we have to do is type out trend and a trend line button pops up. Say we want a Fibonacci retracement. Simply just type in fib. There we have it. You can access virtually every feature on the platform straight from this one search bar. Since we are on the Apple chart right now, say we want to look at the cash flow of Apple. All we have to do is type cash and the cash flow for Apple button pops up. Have a great day, guys.